Our last stop, England, where a recipe for holistic health involves a little-known Eastern European tradition and lots of salt. Monita Rajpal investigates the saline secret to breathing easy.
Until a few years ago, Tish Webster would have found the daily tasks of walking outside or working at her job almost impossible. From the time she was a little girl, the 28-year-old yoga instructor has suffered from hay fever and severe allergies to dust.
This time of year I'd definitely be suffering really badly. I'd have tissues with me constantly, I'd be sneezing, I'd probably be weeping out of my eyes.
Ready to go in?
Yeah, absolutely.
After years of taking allergy pills, Tish looked into alternatives and discovered something known as halotherapy or salt therapy at a clinic in southwest London.
Where would you like to sit today?
When I first went into the salt cave, I noticed an immediate difference from going in.
Here you are.
Thank you. My breathing capacity was much better. After 3 sessions, I noticed a difference. First thing in the morning, I wasn't congested like I normally am.
This therapy room is designed to feel like a natural salt cave or a salt mine. The walls and the floor are covered with sea salt to absorb any impurities or moisture in the air. Then untreated rock salt or sodium chloride is mixed with a current of air which is pumped into the room to create what's known as a microclimate. Since the late 1800s, Eastern European patients with respiratory illnesses like asthma and bronchitis have been prescribed visits to natural salt caves or mines. Today, what's found and felt in those caves is being replicated in clinics and spas across Eastern Europe, like this one in Hungary, in Toronto, and now in London.
Charging it with negative ions, blowing this dry slime aerosol into the treatment room. Patients won't see anything in the air.
And they really won't feel anything.
Well, they can probably taste the salt on their lips.
The salt used has no additives and the concentration is specific to the patient's condition. The humidity and the temperature are controlled to maintain comfort and deliver maximum benefits that the salty air breathed in. The salt particles can embed deeply into the lower lungs. And for people with respiratory illnesses, that's where a lot of the problems are. Once in the system, the salt absorbs bacteria and clears away mucus, which would otherwise block the airways. Is it 100% safe?
Yes, we can say it's 100% safe. Also, different medical research has proven the effectiveness in at least 85% of the cases.
In 2006, the New England Journal of Medicine published a study on patients with cystic fibrosis who used this kind of saline therapy for 48 weeks. They found that it was a safe and effective additional therapy for patients. The founders of the Salt Clinic in London say they have patients ranging from 6 months of age to 85. The cost for an hour-long sitting, about $56. And while they admit there are skeptics, they encourage people to just try it. As for Tish Webster, the proof is in her breathing.
Having done now 10 sessions, I haven't yet taken an allergy tablet this year, which is incredible.
For Vital Signs in London, I'm Monita Rajpal.